Terence McKenna proposed that in the 21st century, plants should be the organizational model for life. This can yield new models of interactive computing which brings humans and media into a symbiotic relationship with the natural world. Living media can take the form of any organism that changes under controlled conditions. Research shows that we make stronger connections to living creatures than artificial imitations. If we receive a plastic flower, we don't have the same emotional connection as compared to a real flower, which makes a special impression on our senses. We recognize and build on the strengths of the sympathy response with real living media. Our living media makes empathetic connections. An impedance match is made between the important issues in the world and the color-changing properties of red cabbage. It is important to have an impedance match between the coupling of the input data and the output of the media. In this case, the media is living. It can grow, decay, and change to various hues of color. We propose for this to be impedance matched with digitally measured information including social, human, and ecological issues. The control system varies the pH level of the solution containing the cabbage at appropriate levels to change the color according to the set point provided by the computer system. The control system senses the pH value of the cabbage and then determines the difference to be corrected in order to reach that set point. It then activates the pump for either the acid or base solution to make the appropriate correction. A special flavin in the cabbage changes color depending on the pH level. An acidic solution changes the color from pink to purple, and an alkali solution will provide a change of color through pink to green. Varying hues of color along the pH range allow for rich visualization of information. Important information to be mapped to the system includes a wide range of sources. This includes personal issues, family issues, societal issues, and wider global issues. From the graphical user interface, the user selects and assigns the data flows to the garden of cabbage. In a reversal of roles, the garden of cabbage tends to the human, providing the visualization of important information. The user can also add a new data source and set various parameters for the impedance matching of color change and data. This allows for complex data to be represented in a way that can build an emotional relationship and motivate the user toward better habits. This can be especially effective in understanding personal contributions to world issues. For example, in the case of global warming, the pulse of the situation on a global scale is visualized on one portion of the garden, while individual activities representing our personal contributions are assigned to other cabbages. The measurement and display includes personal energy usage, personal consumption of water, amount of consumer waste created, and transportation habits. With the color change of the Babbage cabbage, the impact to society and the effects that may be less tangible become more meaningful and close to heart. This empathetic connection motivates the user to action and raises awareness in complex issues. The metaphor of tending garden through personal actions and relationships has a natural semantic relationship of care and concern. Babbage cabbage changes color using a mechanical and biological control system to bring a new precision in the millihertz range to our relationship with important information in the world.